Hi, it's Teresa McGallagher here again this afternoon with some tips for you to get through this quarantine, lockdown, coronavirus period. A lot of us are feeling isolated and stressed out, and so I'm trying to share some tips that I have for practical spirituality, spiritual practices that you can incorporate into your everyday life while you're at home very easily and for free. So today I'd like to talk to you about a technique called EFT, which stands for Emotional Freedom Technique. And I'm by no means an expert at this, but I have used it from time to time, and I know other people who really benefit from the practice. It's been shown scientifically to help with post-traumatic stress disorder and also reducing anxiety. So if those are issues for you, you might want to check it out. There are lots of great YouTube videos that you can watch on this subject and follow along. I like a guy named Brad Yates, and I thought today I would share one of his particular practices with you that I've memorized to show you. And this practice involves tapping on various parts of your body, mostly your face, while you're talking. And the points of the body that you tap on are meridians. They're energy centers, according to ancient Chinese medicine. It's a sort of an alternative therapy, and it regulates the chi that flows through your body. The other day when I was talking about breath work, I mentioned pranayama, the Indian, sorry, my tripod's jiggling around here, the Indian notion of prana, which is the life force that flows through our body and through different chakras. And in Chinese, that prana is called chi, and in Japanese, it's called ki. But it's all the same thing, and it comes in with our breath and it goes out with our breath. But sometimes the different centers in our body get blocked, and this can create illness or it can create mental issues. So the idea behind EFT is to tap the centers that correspond with those different meridians in the body. And the way it works is there are 9 different points that you want to tap on with your fingers. First is the side of the hand, this karate chop kind of motion here. Next is the forehead, then the side of the eye, below the eye, the upper lip, the chin, the chest, and for the chest you make a fist like this, the sternum, underneath the arm, and it doesn't matter which hand you do or which side of the body, and then finally the top of the head. So I'll demonstrate now, and if you would like to follow along with me, I'll leave some room for you to repeat after me. And you can use this for any subject, any topic. You can use it for increasing prosperity. You can use it for feeling less upset. You can use it for anything that's bothering you that you feel you have an issue with. EFT can be used for that. So today, the particular one that I selected to demonstrate for you is just about feeling better in general. So if you'd like to start, we began by tapping on the side of the palm like this, side of the hand, and say the words out loud. I choose to feel good. I choose to love and honor myself. I choose to feel good. I choose to love and accept myself. I choose to feel good. I choose to deeply and completely love, honor, and accept myself. I choose to feel good. In fact, I choose to feel great. I choose to let go of whatever's blocking me. Letting go of stress. Letting go of fear. I choose to feel good. I deserve to feel good. In body, mind, and spirit. And that's all there is to it. That's all there is to it. You can create your own script. You can go onto YouTube and you can follow along with other people that have created scripts on YouTube for different topics. For you to give this emotional freedom technique a try. It works for you. Like any spiritual practice, is persistence and consistency. Anything going to have an effect for you. You want to do it daily for at least 3 weeks, 21 days to form a new habit, and then see if you can document some kind of change in your situation. So please leave a comment for me. Let me know if you've tried it out, if you've noticed any difference, if it resonates with you, or if you have any questions. Lovely to see all of you again today. Hi, Myron. Hi, Jim. And have a lovely evening.